It does not belong to Nigeria. Nigerian government, the artwork belongs to the king. It belongs to our upper. So therefore, the upper of Benin should receive it. We are appealing to the German authority as they are sending this artwork back. It should be returned to the king. The Amonopaneto Uku Aponopolo. Yesterday he gave a press statement that he alone that can receive the artwork. This is the reason why we are here. We are standing here to let the Germans know that they should return it to the appropriate authority, the owners of the artwork, because that is where they belong to. Not to Nigerian government, not to Godwin, not Obaseki. They should return it to the upper of Benin. And he and his family, they are ready to receive it. Because we, the Benin, we have been waiting for it for a very long time. This week, what we are here to let the German government know, Obaseki, we don't know you, you don't care about us. Many of Edo people, they are dying in Mediterranean Sea. Many of Edo people, they are dying in desert. You don't care about them. You don't know whether they exist. We want that artwork to be received by the upper of Benin. Upper of Benin hold it. It belongs to the palace, and therefore it should return to the palace. This is what we are here to let the German government know. They should return it to the upper. We don't know what they are doing with Governor Obaseki. It does not belong to him. He don't have that right to even negotiate it. He does not have that right. It should return to the appropriate authority, which is the upper. The upper on it, it belongs to the palace. The palace we are looted. They killed our father, they killed our mother, they destroyed our children, they desecrate our land, they set our land on fire. Our land, we are burning. They set our land on fire and took our upper to an inside. Now, the German government are planning to return it. Please, German government, return it to the appropriate owner. The appropriate owner is the upper of Benin. So therefore, it should receive it. They have been ready to receive it for a very long time. They have been waiting for this. They have been preparing for this. Therefore, it should go to them. It should go to them. God with Obaseki is not the owner of the act. He is not the owner of the house. He caused the havoc. He caused what happened to Great Benin Kingdom. Therefore, we don't want him to associate with anything that has to do with our heart. He should remove himself from that. He should remove himself. Thank you.
I don't send you to send music for your WhatsApp. Okay, play the same music like that. Everyone in the donor will do this. Yeah, one. Come. Tired of it. Everyone later, I'm out of that. Ijaniye sigene kunopyopa Ujaya sinia woma Ijaniye sigene kunopyopa Ujaya sinia woma. We are the member of Africa Ancestral Spiritual Ministry. And the reason why we are here today is because of the injustice that has been done to us as a people. In 1884, 15th of November 1884, there was a conference here in Berlin. And the conference was between the superpower of Europe. And what were they discussing about? They were discussing about how they are going to divide Africa as a cake. France was there. British was there. Germany was there. Portugal, Spain, Denmark, all the superpowers of Europe was there. And their term of discussion is Africans are animals. We are going to divide them and take over their land and colonize them and make them start thinking the way we think and make them start seeing life the way we see life. After weeks of debating, they came to a conclusion. So they divided Africa as a cake. The superpower take the biggest share. British take the biggest share. France, Portugal, Spain, Deutschland also get a share from this cake. But after that conference, something happened. 1897, the British came to ancient Great Benin Kingdom. They saw a kingdom that is so vast in everything. We have a society that was so far ahead what people thought Africa was about. The British were so interested in these things. They invaded my land, they killed women, they killed children, they raped everybody, and then they stole all our artifacts. 4,000 pieces of ancient artifacts were stolen away from Great Benin Kingdom. They brought these pieces to London and start sharing it among Europe. Now the Great Benin stolen artifacts can be located in all museums, in Berlin, in Stuttgart, in Paris, in Moscow, in Frankfurt, in New York, in Beijing, in Tokyo, in every major museum around the world, there is a Great Benin stolen artifact. But there was a reason they stole it, and there was a reason they kept it. Now 124 years has passed by. The German government has come to a conclusion and said, you know what? We have to return these stolen artifacts. We are happy that Germans has made this decision. French has never think of this type of decision. The British don't even want to think about it. So we are happy Germans make these decisions. At least they want to show example to Europe and say, let's fix the damage we have done. And now the Germans want to break this artifact. We are happy. But why we are here today is because the German government wants to negotiate with Nigerian government. A government that is operating in a shadow. A government that is never transparent to our people. So now, if the German government gave our artifacts to a Nigerian government, we the people will still have nothing to benefit from this. So what we are demanding, they have to bring it to the people, the same people that they stole it from. You can't go and give it to a government who don't care about us. We are here in Deutschland because they don't care about us. So how can we trust a government who never really cared about us? So we are begging the German government, please talk to the people. Stop talking to the same old people who don't care about us. If you want to return what you stole, you have to take it back to the person you stole it from. And who is the person that stole this artifact from? With the ancient Great Benin Kingdom, we have ancient institution. And the leader and the head of our ancient institution is the Oba of Benin. We the Benin believe our Oba is the one that is leading us in this realm that we are now. So when Germans want to make any discussion, don't discuss with Nigeria government. Come to the same palace you set fire on. Come to the same people you killed. Come to the same people you stole from. And talk to these people. Tell the government, don't worry, we recognize you based on diplomatic issue, but we have to speak to the people. Because we the people are the one that still carry these traumas. We the people are the one that has never really been recognized. So we are tired because these ancient artifacts, they are not just arts. Europeans think these are arts, it's beautiful, let's put it in museum. For we, it is deeper than arts. These are spiritual items that carry spiritual energy, and these energies are connected to our soul. Since they are stolen, we are restless. Our land is chaotic. We are all running to Europe because of this artifact. This artifact is a magnet that is pulling us from Africa to come to Europe. If Europe will just return everything they stole, then maybe nothing will pull us here towards Europe. Because we that is coming out to Europe, We were the same people who died in that war in 1897. What the British did to Great Benin was genocide, because they have machine guns and we just have a spare. So they were just slaughtering us like nothing, while we were just dying for free. We could not even fight back because the British invaded us with their largest navy ship, and we don't even have a boat. So they just killed us for nothing and take everything away from us. So we are begging everybody, help us sign our petition, help us talk to people around, and we have spoke already to Frau Grutas, and we have begged her also. We are happy you want to return these things, but please talk to the people. We are the one who carry the pains. We are the one who is hurt. But now British government, German government want to give money to Nigeria government. The same Nigeria government who is mismanaging their petroleum, everything, who is corrupt, who don't have transparency. So why would German give money to people who don't care about their own people? So you have to come to the people and talk to us directly. We need this artifact back. This is not just artifact. This is also our library. Our ancestors designed these things in a way that our history can be recorded. We never knew how to write, but we know how to make these things. This man you are seeing here, Ari Ronson, he was the one that led the expeditions. He came together with other troops, Samoa, Rathmore. And what did they say to the queen? Don't worry, this war is very cheap because Great Benin is so rich, so we can pay for the war and sponsor the war. They have ivory, they have bronze, they have things we will steal from them and you will not cost you nothing. And the queen was happy about the idea, and he sent them. They came to our land with more than 10,000 troops, arms with machine guns and rocket launcher. While we don't have nothing, they keep everybody, they set our village on fire, and they take away our artifact. Now this is the most priceless. This artifact belongs to the Queen Idia. Queen Idia was an ancient queen warrior and a goddess from ancient Benin Kingdom. So this artifact right now is in London Museum. This one is not in Germany, but these ones are in Germany, in Berlin, yeah. Here in Berlin we have 500 pieces. These ones are in Berlin. These ones are in Berlin. This picture here was after they have destroyed our kingdom. They were celebrating things they stole from us. So we are just begging because we don't have no voice, we don't have no power. So we are just begging, please return this stolen artifact and return it the right way. Return it in a way where the people will feel happy. Don't start negotiating with the state governor of Baseki who never care about us. Don't start negotiating with the Nigeria government who don't care about us. The other person and the people has always cared is the Great Benin people who is being held by the great Omonoba Nedo Ukwa Folopolo or by Eware II of the Great Benin Kingdom. So this is what we are begging. This is what we are saying. We thank you all for coming. And we will keep on doing this. From here, we are going to go to Stuttgart because a lot of the artifacts is in Stuttgart, Frankfurt, Hamburg, all these places that they are still keeping our stolen artifacts. We will keep on crying and screaming until everything is returned. Don't loan it to us. We don't need a loan. You cannot steal my property and now you want to give it back to us as a loan. That does not make sense. If you want to return it, return it. If you don't want to return it, keep it. At least we will know you are still holding the stolen artifact. Yes. Don't come and discuss with our greedy politicians who just only care about money, and you flip some millions of euros to them and they are happy. They don't care about the artifact. We care. Our soul is connected to it. So we know why we are screaming and why we want it. Our ancestors never created it for it to be in the museum. They are not for museums. So whenever you go next to Berlin Museum and you see this artifact, know that you are playing a part in the destruction that happened to us. Because that was blood money. That is blood. It's not just something that fell from the sky. And we need reparation justice. That's what we need. We have to be satisfied with the terms We don't need to be pushed aside and just you discuss with the governor of Obaseki, who don't really was able to do nothing for the people. So I thank you all. We will keep on doing it, and we will stay here with you now. We have a petition we have written already. If you have interest to sign the petition, please come and join us, because we need an audience in the German parliament. We want to speak in the German parliament. We want them to see the people. The people. For more than 200 years, you are looking at my ancestral handwork. Now it's time for you to talk to the people. The people is alive. Talk to the owners, not one alien system which we don't subscribe to. So thank you all. This is what we want to share, and this is why we are here. We are still here. If you have any question or you want to know more, please kindly come and you are welcome. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Because they have to bring this thing back. They don't feel carry out on the T-cell, everybody dealing with government. If you use your phone, play music small, and yes.
Now pause on that.
No, you don't pause, you are tired, you can do it.
I'm not tired.
Okay, thank you, man.
I like the spirit, yeah.
Yeah. What you will do for me now is, you will take the phone round. You can take the phone round and also show other people that is here, so that it doesn't look like just one board.
Yeah.
But the other people here with us, just split it around. And show the parliament, we want it to be very clear that this is the German parliament, because we need their audience. They must speak to us, and this artifact must go back to where they stole it from. And our Monobanedo is the only one who we recognize. Or not to Governor Obaseki, you don't know how to renovate ordinary market. Our market is born, this governor cannot relocate it, renovate it, but now it's in Germany. He wants to ask Germans to give him this artifact. These things don't work like that. It don't work like that. So keep on playing music for now. No problem, no problem. Your phone, no problem. No problem. Yeah, I'm playing here. There's a boy in the phone, life, no problem. Sazeno no parliament, I mean, call Sazeno. No parliament, no reform.
Però potevamo saltare da capo.
Thank you. Our government.
I know.
Okay.
Mismanagement of the country.
Yes, it's too much. They don't have to. The German authority don't have to give it to them. They don't have to receive it.
If I try, so this thing has to come back to them.
Yes, not to the not to the
And if
government.
you can give it to them, they're going to say it again.
Lankish.
Since I haven't gotten it,
Okay, now Jenabi. Okay, my Okay. Okay, why introduce your name now? Yeah, we mean when we na because after me buy a banana in a banana. And your power nana remove it and nania. Me and tell you what body time anymore. So but my finishing a banana my because we get a lot of so many journalists okay yana mu Africa gba e mana yana discuss yana mu gba ana ga e ne gbiyan oba yin mama obe go baba oba pomo obe go baba Please, if you have not signed the petition, please go and sign that petition. Nobody sign a petition. Wala, sign a petition or money. Obaseki ran boy no kam kure doire. Ra boy vore. Kulo boy ma obe nuka kulo boy ma onari anus ma ti avie nu gbere gbedo hima bog yeke ago no bi Obaseki Godwin no bi ago ti possible very nuka onari anusi agwa me and mama ma ya we use everything we have to fight you. Hello.
You know this thing, right? They show people with their right here.
Maniro abi.
But we don't know this thing.
I make beautiful, all day you. If you know my day, all day you. Obanu Buri, no more you. Who takes a leg at beat? Obanu Buri, leg. You about foot all year we can.
Ogwema sign a petition on the Mavi women anima. The petition man, wala wo. Ogwema sign a petition. If you have not signed that petition, let also so that we can also go there and table and let the Germans know this is how we want it to be. Wala wo. We must sign a petition in. Very important though. Normally sign a petition in or you sign anymore. Then leave ani ni ave ya go emi no yin ya re adie mana ba yin be lawe ba ni yin be ya te me be ar hiro hima wana be guma be sign the petition. Yin be ti ma lawe ni ma be do igun many ya oni many ma honi ya we he me be cha na ya we must sign a petition. We must return back to the Oba of Benin. must return back to Obaewa the second, not to Nigeria government, not to Godwin Obaseki. I will not sign a petition. Without the petition, we can't go inside. Please help us and sign it. I'm going to sign a petition. I sign a petition. Okay.
Yeah, Dona Yayo, Wala Wogo, I signed a petitioner. Because I signed a petitioner now, Ivani, Madam Kakabometi, Egani, Jama Parliament, option. You can play also. If you have an option, they have to listen to us. But when you don't sign the petition and you just total you over your own to only the loop, no come out, come street, come demonstrate. That time people like all this Obaseki, they go to see us, they play. Why do they do all these things now? They do it because they know say we are not they organized. Imagine now one who here do not go in Berlin. Here don't even Berlin is more than 3,000. Unu yala jana, inyamalaja. The man am care because my very ni bun e win. And I when e win and ironi any man reba. We are here to just let the German government to know. Girl, in have an option. They have to return these things back to a Kenya na moe. Return I don't really feel like holding speaker because I've already gave the speech to the people here. So that's why I'm just holding the phone and talking with our speaker. So please, Emanila Dian, Yedo, Yedo Nola Dian, I don't remember but Mama care, like we said, with the move, who are Ladian, Maladian, wa ima movie here. So Nuwala will go Wadosane. Yes, Wadosane awareness in animal creative and now we are going Berlin papers. All German paper. We know they do but say. So no, please you will not get the link, comment it there. No space for me to hold hand on the pink link again there. You will don't know, say you don't sign out you know the link. They comment on there continuously. So please share the video and let people know say your phone not connect. And let people know say this is something we all have to be playing part of. We all have to keep on speaking. May we not stop to the speak. No problem, no worry. So we have to just keep on speaking and keep on saying the right thing. We will not keep quiet. Imagine Governor Obaseki. That's the way not feel innovate on area hospital, filling station. Yeah, sorry, I say filling station, a market. Now he come Germany say he want negotiate for us. Now you want to negotiate for us. Honorary police station, you never feel build. Who can call you? Who make you the negotiator for our ancestors? Our ancestors never recognize yourself. Normally, you never support the honorary youth chairman for Benin. But like just leave your issue because after all you are not the governor, they like they not like they don't already give out to you. You let you we come to talk now and come on your hand for our ancestral thing. Yes. Come on your hand for our ancestors things because why? We where they cry so we know why would they cry. Those things connect to our spirit, it connect to everything where we take day as a human being. Not be waiting we can't let your basket cut they calculate economic gain. And now we see the same, but it will bring economic benefit for Nana. Ask yourself, how much does your soul worth? How much? Now 4 million euro, I'll be 100 million euro. Now our ancestors what? Oh, if we want to give that money, it said because normally they need to pay a lot of price for it. But no, they want to give a basket 4 million, 100 million, so that it can't be like say they don't settle us. No, what did they do to us? Now priceless thing. Now something will be say forever and ever, generations to come. They go they hear the story. So in fact, the more they able to keep ourselves, the more it good.
Because why? We go know say that they owe us. Then if they want settle us, they'll settle us the way it's supposed to be. Not be saying I can't let them give una cheaper money because now you convert to naira, it can't be billions. Then you just can't say it good now you take can Obaseki give you going back be. Oma erima we ni ma leru no Obaseki. Imara leru ne. Imara leru ne. Okay. Later bana orore wana ma leru ne. Eru ni mara na no Obaseki. Oh iwe. No doesn't no bo. Eni kao. Ebokpa nyan me no guna me muja yimana nana. Ina do ti eni kao ya fefefe no ikon ko te doni. Ina we ni yan la wo wo. Kemi we ti a won o si won anything. Kemi ne no giru won Obaseki. No zie no na wi yen ri dan e o ma. Nuwa la wo wo. Nuwa do gbe ni emi yo hun re. Nuwe ari o to. Na miega ba ma teme e mwa. Uda continue ama pa ma to sungu. So eni ka wado vio boyo yeke. Amiege emi mani ye do oga mo ka onoro orion. Oga we mi mani ye do ekin mo ka ono ken gari orion. O sungu. Uda do odion. Wi an vi bi egan mo bodo be ya mu mari yeke yen kwe ni ma gwan. Wudo bi ri ogbe. We be na leru nu yen na ri yen mi ye. Ugu no gba yen o. Okay, we're tap for that. So no, ima leru nu we, nu la wo ki e ma nu viokian, ni ave bu odesi, nwe mi. Iya bu ode dan, nu we la wo na dan me yan. Wa ri ke dan no na ni yen dan no kan me do. Ugu dobiri igbo abode wa ri ke no manu anaziye no manu ge mani yedo o manu umi ya sevani e wa yorebo wie na me iyo no madado agbona mawe obu yorebo wie be no ya zi o be no ya mu ge yedo le no mi ame ko egbu wa we mani yedo ni rewe bo akeni yo iya agwa ma so iya so wa ma wa arrest yan ima ke so wa ugu igbugwe yo tedore be wa okay the problem iro iya rewe bo iya we tv no ri iya we mo eni ya we say ya we ta say no problem after all I am their governor and their people no problem ima ke we re ni na saloba nu dazi emi no ma o be ya wewe ọmọ ni ya gewe ni gume wa mo uve biele udo mu eje ave do han wege wa ma Godwin Obaseki obe mo ne be so pon wa wevi no ma latedo gevi dan wa ya latedo egbewe isagin we ọmọ gbon degbe la because ọmọ keri agbon eni ka o ka gbaseyo eni ka o ma gbaseyo ami ọmọ bie so we are onugbe mi ọmọ bie na Obaseki no bi ago so adolo ave mi dan ya nu ka ove na ya ni sen do zese yegbere do yin do mu gboto na gwa de nu we baba la gogo egui America na wan mama bo wa lele do o se ni na yin be na wa ya bo me kemi ni u wa ya bo me okay ye do mu gboto na baba be ri oni na ma do ya bo we emi na gbon na o do le do ma we ogu we a governor of Kano suspended their upper. So because of that reason, and also the governor of Edo State, Yahweh, Mawe Tamu Wege, Venuwe Tage, do not be Lagos, Mawe Tamu Wege, and do not be Kanu. Waazek be Oni, Edenuzi Oni, Amenumo, Okin Ujayo Weko, Okuye Nuriemo Bonoyari, O Yowenya, Nunyo, Ugbe, Okoko Yowenya, Okoko Wenya, Inyamu Tuimuwe, Wa when was you done? To beg a borene, Sisa, Enikao, Wamadotiena, Maveroda Parliament in our Germany, Ekeniana Dwiko, Ikoniana discussing Yano Kama, Ia the Bessico Koyamana Dozio Dan, Wagirudo with Rebellion Yanozio Dama. Iya manasiko koye manasio no madama egudo viribeliya ya. Iya when ya liye kerie madi no Obaseki don't listen to him. You are the governor. you are the one we recognize. Iye ni ya le lezi oni. Ememe la ya gbe kiyan ko ba seki. Iye awe ni ya ori oboyan dori eyan maun. Ari ememe eyan. Ma mi no sunu dawe bo ni do love yo. Iye hanore ba ni nana. Uwu doviri ya wulo. Uwu doviri ya wulo. So kebo no we mi na we ni kawe ma so fa wu. Iyan do da iyan kwe ni esi a e no jo tedo. Uwu doviri o ga gbe o. Ugu doviri oga gbe o. Ugu doviri oga gbe o. Keke ni agiriri aije no. Ugu doviri ni oga gbe. Oga gbiyan. We no viedo. Ugo viedo hin. Umie mata. Ufie gbe were gbe mo fanu da owe iwe wa mata. Ugu doviri no gbe manizi o dandado o ve gbuwe o. Wa no le yo to te ni edo bini mi wa uwe ko wa emi dan fun orion wa we ne do aya di ligi wa o we ne go aya zaga wa o we ne mi dan aya sunu da tedo wa o we nu wa ya o ni emi eni ka ya fefe no ikwa ku ogun ne ogun eni ka ya fefe o gbeluwa ebo pa yan inoro tedo ni ogbeluwa emi dan ya no ragbon na gwaluwa mi emi dan ya no ragbon na gwaluwa mi more manana mo ware ma oguname mana do tie oguname no wi je me bere ma eziza no poku obere ma na ma do tie na makawe we mana rioro yo to ederi makari ero yo to ederi emi ya yore edna na mabere mana do muja da parliament sise mana yana diko e mana o ni yana diko mabere na kedene na pa gbedegbe okin yan diko dan dama egbedegbe okin yan diko dan dama iya mana duke no ma iya mana duke si iya mana duke North Africa mu iya mana duke North mani viedo mu iya we ni aniko dan ni ado niyen dan ri ma emi dan ogbeliyan o emi dan ogbeliyan o emi yanu yori mano ri guyan iya mana mo ere na o da si no bo egbe okin yan mama ka kan ni yedo ya to tayu o wa ori opa ye valadian eke ni mamuja ye ni kan gbimaro e ma pare mana yeye oba na me no se no roke ogbimare ma e bo pa yan ogbimare ma eziza no gyobo ogbimare ma oromila no gyobo ogbimare ma ogun na me no vako ogbimare ma ogun apoko ogun apoko ogun erogun asogun afa ogun asogun afa ya guimarema ya guimarema enika ya fefe no ini egbe biomone ijomo no ihama mo ye no inekwo mone ya fefe wadomuda kimani viedo amiege mi mani viedo o e mata alare mama gbe iviere ima koke ma viegon ma kokiyan ana emiege yan mi viedo iya gbo viviedo iya oni asiviedo sikoto un dawere na wiyan riwe governor obe de bagon asi matikoto u dazi no bori ma we ni ma leru ne eru ni na na kin o u dazi la wo ya fi orion worie ami ego tedo ni eri owe ini o tedo ni otie yi omo ye mutia eye esun adam mi ho except my area we can't otedo ni ogwe ni eri kanto otedo ni ogwe ni o fie mi ya worie ami ere mi ya fefe no riri o boy o ga mane ona zie do no ma worie aga mi ego bezi o dan worie e otedo ni agbe o bi amo se iyan my supporter no bi ali eke ti ege I beg you forget your no get level. No level for palace. Forget it, no level. Not be you be governor. Fire down, we deal with you. Then ya doti every year came. I will rien te doni dot ye madine every year. Ugu do vi rogbeli ya o. O piano ko no ve na aoya ya ge video na. O piano ko no ve bere video na later. It piano ko no ni ve mujaye mana ve nana. Nive mujaye mana ve nana. Unwu ya ga tie yamu. Enu wa ya zi o dan dado uwe no ma adie do gban fwa emi dan o wa kan gata wa ni vere social media ana mi ga kan mu dogbo to o wa ya na ko dawo Ahiawe mi no tendomu wa onu wa koda oyeye. Uwa mana si obobo ugu doviri no gbele riedo o be gbeluwa. Rudagwa wa mwedogbo to gbe. Wa ri obo ni viegon. Wa ri obo ni viegon. Awe miere to viegon ebe me madve do ya agwi magun. Iviegon no te mi ovie do gboriri la yan gbe. Ya wa to ta social media wa nyiwe nya kan yo to. Wa mu mani vie do gbo to. Ugu doviri no gbele riedo o be gbo. U mana fi onyin e wori e. Ata ne va son avantage. Eni ka ogba se yo ne wa fi onyin e wori e. U ma fi onyin e wori e. Ugu doviri wa o buwari. Eni no mu do ten do mu e ma ori mana mi wa ga ege mi na ni omu je dogboto yo bobo na we na iwe yo bobo na we won bi iwe yo bobo na we mi ya no lega we o mana yo bobo nwe wa ya ta no da ege sene abi sagi dan rugwedo ege sene na gbe aya gbeli ya yo to do re abun dan ni do le níyàwó òye dóyà kìíní rí ẹ̀dùn arísàgìn dàn nílẹ̀ èyí tó tẹ̀dùn ugudoviro ọgbẹ́lìyàn ya kò àyò tẹ̀dùn níbi ugudoviro ọgbẹ́lìyàn ya kò tẹ̀dùn níbi wẹ́nọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ wẹ̀bọ̀ ugukẹ̀wẹ̀bọ̀ eolemi na ọmọ ẹ̀dọ́rì àwẹ̀ sọpọ́tì olemi na ọsẹ ẹ̀dọ́rì èkè wẹ̀ sọpọ́tì ekọ́tì sàágbìnà wọ̀kàwé irogiyan aragbẹ́zọ̀ wọ̀kàwé irogiyan èmi dán wẹ̀kàwé wẹ̀ náà kó dá o ugudoviro ọbẹ̀ gbọ́ o ugudoviro ọbẹ̀ gbọ́ o ogi ugwu alegado lega o ilegado bi adiawebo ikun imi akin aga rekian ari ko inyoge madan abe madan aborion no gbipin no se dori eke abe mori no gbipin uvie euro umwe god euro ugbe silver euro keni wan uriri jebo umana mujayo demata ugudoviri obe gbo deni mata eri ojiva bon eri ojiva son eri ojivota. So my dear people, I beg, we dey do our best. Anywhere you dey, try to do your best so that you still know say this life where you dey, you fit still contribute the little way you fit still contribute to life. Not just dey there, all you want dey support now, make the land spoil. The same you go dey complain say nothing good. You wetin you dey do to take repair the things wey not good? You know they do anything. The only thing where you they do now, waiting go spoil the land. Then now you go first jump, go front, go to say nothing goody, won't arrest you, nothing goody. Don't see our bag here now. The bag big. You know how many cloths are print full inside in case say people pack come. But we not agree come out. Mama waun. But they ta fiak wa kan ya uba wa do amchama. Oh no, pas war when you're in the enemy of Europe. Not by when you're in the enemy of Germany. Not by when you're a president of the enemy organ association. Not by when you're a chairman of the enemy. My buwayade. Then wayalu enye doya defrauded mass organization. Eni kawo ti waya umu. Ana miero sere do ase wari egbele be wakagwa sango da ore geo mo so great beneath this, great beneath that. Don't enemy this, don't enemy that. Obaga talk be waya defrauded man. Akaka uwasi yedo koko uwasi sere do uwa iya gwa le president. Yeah, I've got a president. Okay, we know your money. Here he come. Here come. I've got a president. Here got a president. Organization. President. So on your way no busting here really. So ma stop the recording for now because ma change the location. Later we'll come live again. Yeah, we want to stop for now so that my activity will so. Some journalists interview, so we'll still take some questions from them, and then later, my Hannah will chill somewhere. Want to take care of ourselves. Yeah, man, I take care of a big man. So we'll take care of ourselves and spend a nice quality time. In that process, we can come live again. Obaseki, we are Germany now. You will tell. Uwe gele oge doborion. Where dear manana? Where rebelling now? Where he melvin Marie manana? I say if you one of all these building here, oh, gele yeah, I pass a queue. Or you remember where building because go your head for back of glass there. What did they worry these people? You want to farm? We need to when you go do. I will do Tamiana. Ma ogia we obaseki ma ogia we. Ima wa onemi no mala do oni wa no. So do awo ege. O ma rock my sponsor my opposition my anything. No they we know they think politics. Man ma download the program ini. Imana wa eme do ni okpa wa kama eme gwa. So anything we are no ma be man ga gwa ye mu we. We working in anything no kind of gwa. Do we can mu allocation ya wa mi no every month or makama. Or makama. We what your boy e gware. Your boy e dore. Because me no beg na. E man na endi. We are suing the German government. He wants to recognize the palace. That's just what we want to do. Say, hey, man, we not they beg them. Either you bring it or you not bring it. We not they get too many options yet. So before Obakens was sworn out. We Kens were already our. Ijeme Obaseki na tie say
you don't know anything about the matter, sir.
You don't know our history.
You don't know.
And then when Obaseki wa no tax can we no way we first stay Ogbeni Keta o ya na we edogene because ta unu gba no kine. I no tawe. I no tawe because man we no can do. O ma no ma make block you te do.
You born you worry. Even no gwa.
So area wa no.
You born you worry.
Area wa no.
Well, I won't get do.
So yeah, we'll be rounding it up now. Yes. Meanwhile, let me show the parliament. Ivanayana Dwiko. Ivanayana Dwiko. Ivanayana Dwiko. Diana Rolly Day. No, Managela Mekave Yana. Ivanayana Dwiko.
Yeah, Benin.
Yeah.
Nigeria.
Ja, Nigeria.
Aber gibt auch ein eigenes Land, Benin, ne?
Ja, Benin Republic.
Ja, deswegen ich war am Anfang irritiert, aber diese Russen, die sind aus Nigeria.
Ja, nicht Nigeria, Benin Kingdom.
Kingdom.
Yeah,
Gehört
Benin
aber
Kingdom.
jetzt zum-
Benin Kingdom is under Nigeria.
Ja.
Because when
Are
they
you speaking English? I'm speaking
you
English
speak
too.
English
That's
too
no problem.
good. When they invaded Benin Kingdom, I am alive.
Oh,
Brooks.
sorry, I don't want to...
No problem. When they invaded Benin Kingdom,
Yeah.
Nigeria was not existing.
Yeah, I have the information.
Okay.
On Google Earth, you can see photos of the old kingdom, the capital,
Exactly.
of the old palace, of
The
the
Oba
conflict
Palace.
with the English
British.
traders,
Yes.
the expedition. British.
Yeah.
British, yeah.
Yes.
This was, yeah. And on Google you can read quite a lot.
Yes, every wise
Picture,
people.
if you don't mind.
Yes, you can make as many pictures as you want. Wakasto, the newspaper.
Artwork was on the market and they have sold it.
Yes,
Sold it to
they sold it. Yes.
Now, presently now, the Germans are saying they want to bring
Yeah,
it back.
this lady is not here in Berlin.
No, it's not here. She's in
No, this lady is in London.
In London.
Yeah.
Yes.
She is like in Berlin, right?
Yeah, she is in Berlin.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, I hope that they make a replica because I think the situation, the two faces, Nofretete, the Egypt king, and it was, I think, quite a strong
Yes.
worth for him to a museum. Yeah, good luck, stay curious.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, this is hard-boiled weapons. Yeah.
Yeah, but what we are saying now, the reason why we are here now, we are letting the Germans to
After
know
the
that
Dutch fair,
it's
which they
very
come to
important.
celebrate and
They return
that will be
to
the new
the
plan.
appropriate
This is
owners.
Ologbo Shere.
Yeah,
He was our
yeah, the
defense
owners,
minister.
not
They
the
said they
government,
sentenced him by
because the
hanging.
government, They don't.
Sentenced him by hanging.
They-
These are mercenaries, so they are not even British warriors. So they are all foreign mercenaries from Colombia, from North Africa. Then not the British army bust us, so they don't carry sub-Sahara army.
Yeah,
Oh God.
you know about
So this is our Oba now. This is the Oba now who we recognize. These are his ancestors. He is the one now that is in charge. The only one that has rights.
This is the only one that has rights over
So
him.
that is just it. All of them died before even Babura. All of them died before even Babura.
The king was a strong dictator because of the Afro King.
Yeah.
A lot of problems with the traders, and then I think.
So area one no.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will end it here for now, Mayane, so that we can do other things for now. But we say please share the video, share it. Normally we wanted to go live on different pages, but never manner raining now. I don't part it, but I did too funny. So we just manage it the way we can manage it. Yes. So why I always say, please share it for your friends, your family. Share it. Man, the baby rich stream here again. Share it. Why I always say. Some professionals will record the NS, so send him their copy. We will also upload it on all different news outlets, different magazines, and different newspaper. So we'll be sharing all this link. Obaseki, your former don't knock. Your rest. In fact, you have a time and no damage. Your former don't knock. Your focus on your governor work. If you don't want to make those people can't repair you for your place. Focus on your normal governor work. What's your boy location? Location is Berlin. We're in Berlin right now, in front of the parliament. This is what we have, where we are. Platz the Republic. That's where we are now. So focus on your work, Obaseki. We don't pray for you. And we pray, may your head, if your head not here, the prayer na two class will get two face. Your head here good for you. If your head not here of your so worrying about no amu no amu your where you worry on it. If I went out there, yes, if no a bomber got you no. But if I went out there, no everything I misled you were. Get to where you get to marry no problem. So we will pity you because now Bonawe Agbo. Because working with as age, but when it comes to our tradition, you know your baby. And a fat. Yeah. You don't know our custom, you don't know our tradition. If not, it would be you what they talk for. I just put my hand outside there because I feel vest. No need to come change my mood. You just manage like this. Yeah. So later we'll come back on live. Bye bye for now. We thank you. We love you. Bye bye. While we thank all these German police, they are also here. Yeah, they are very nice. Please sign the petition. Sign it. Especially when you call him, we say, who can call him? Can you sign it? If not, I know they pick your call. You know if you come the form, you care for a door. At the end, you know if you sign petition. This is Deutschland. The Germany no Jena. Petition is the strongest weapon.
Yes, of course.
All the Germany were Jena. Around 1,000 people are signing a ban. Il y a qui invite the parliament. Already, make the letter give over a babade. You people have to know that there are a lot of things in Egwa while Egwa no just want put themselves up front. Manivievo or in fact, ancient great Benin Kingdom, Erioga Aje.
Yes, no.
If you ever ya hon kono ba obo ma wa gege jegwa wi Erioko. Wa hongo ma disrespect by ma eva erame mak ba ma ya munwe adegwa. Eri ma ya we be ne de. Akeno sunu aya munwe ne. Una no know our history. So not be now one can they say Woyochi and me palace talk now. Me palace who tell you say palace they talk. Palace not they talk. Now the people they talk for palace. You need to understand our ancient structure. Yeah, so now you'll be the team. We'll leave it here for now. Later we'll talk again. Bye bye for now. Bye bye. This is German Parliament. We are here in Berlin on the 10th of July 2021. And this is our first demonstration here, but it's not the last. So in 2 weeks, we are going to be in Stuttgart. In 2 weeks. So we just pray everything go well because Stuttgart we have even a lot of our artifacts. So we're not material now. We're going Stuttgart. When we go Stuttgart, because bros, we move.
Stuttgart, we move.
We move. Now you'll be the team. We move. You get where go research all the directors of the museum will they sue them. Because they don't want fund the verse now say we don't want our thing, so they want keep on. Now there now we go start. That more here was the Lubinia la Germany a day. Okay, problem is I pray me not reach that point. Anything here who next now can determine how we wanted to treat you for Obaseki. We are do na do we ha on your wefo but na are do na je gwado yin yage baba egwu ite we we sewe nu gwalo la egwu papa egwu rame maya we de gberi eko ogu we do amo na ge oguname Africa Ancestral Spiritual Ministry inya do gege bonne kebo me ya wa arrest nya we ogu we do adu egbe kini uga ibolo oja no kwa ebi edo awa janu o bo ni ma ya po bo no ma be do e ma be ya gbo ma be do o magele ye do Geloge do mu never fe go that side na kai ya leru nene because when I do trusted genetical history, we are very few. It's again a makbo. Also, na get na igweni boom. Although no problem, why I say, please share it. This is our great Quinidia.
It is very important.
Yeah, but hold it well so she can see it.
Yeah.
This is great Quinidia.
Yeah.
She's the symbol of our African Ancestral Spiritual Ministry. And in my Agwan boy, a great Quinidia eyes. So a great Quinidia. And our mission now to pay attention to small things for Benin. Nakayo, a few months from now, I will make different projects in my way with Dovani self. I really need twin. We don't want to solve all the problem in Edo State. No, I have traditional things in Nagi pay attention. Mana what to fix. So why I always say, thank you all. Thank you for sharing. We leave it now like this. For Yahweh say, we have a good mark moment. Otima Ijeno Gege.
Petition and just dog remind to the sun petition.
My street so we are money now. Let you go. Yeah. So we have a good mark moment. Otima Nage Rita. She tried and she did a very beautiful work. And yeah. Yeah, so everyone know Wawese. Otima re ezisa. Wapion. Wapion making noise. Okay, Wawese. We wish you a nice day. We send you peace and love. Bye for now.
So about the problem now is the country we
if you fall down. Yes.
It's Nigeria.
If you fall down.
Because we are living as a kingdom before.
We not even signed for the Nigeria this in the first source. Because our Abba was in exile. We are the only people in the whole of Nigeria who not signed to British. Now make me the laugh all these people who want the phone and who now want to agitate. Although those are a separate topic. Okay, bye for now. Bye.